Muddy pours, juice spills, ice cream melts. Floors get lived on. Indoors, we don't think twice. We wipe, we mop, we move on. But outdoors? That's usually where the effort begins. Until now. Pioneer was designed to bring that same ease of cleaning outside, with composite decking boards that capture the beauty of hardwood while offering the easy cleaning of an indoor floor. A simple mop with warm, soapy water. And just like that, it's ready to impress, just as it did on day one. No complicated routines, no need for a pressure washer. Just because outdoors requires robust materials, doesn't mean they should have a robust cleaning regime. With Pioneer, lasting beauty isn't something you work at, it's something you live on. Pioneer, the art of wood without the impact or effort.